This is the partial flexion official tutorial. So AP elbow partial flexion. What happens when a patient comes in, their elbow's hurt, they cannot extend fully? Well, there's always something we can do. So in this case, their elbow will be flexed less than 90 degrees. If it's more than that, we have another thing we can do. Stay tuned for that, it's coming next. So we got 65 to 75 kVp shielding again, 40-inch SID again, still 10 by 12, still tabletop because part is still less than 10 centimeters. Okay, so what we're gonna do is two different projections. We're doing two different projections. Why? Well, because what we know about OID, as well as the part not being parallel to the image receptor, there's gonna be distortion in OID, not conducive for a accurate diagnosis. So we'll do two projections, AP obviously. So first one, we're gonna have the humerus parallel to the image receptor. I still want that shoulder to be dropped though for this one. I'm gonna still feel those epicondyles. I need the interepicondylar plane parallel to the image receptor still. Even if they can't flex, we can still go back and forth to make sure that's parallel. Still going to be mid-elbow joint centering, so about 3/4 inch distal to those epicondyles. So here is your first projection with the humerus parallel to the image receptor. That's going to give you a good view of the distal humerus, no distortion, no OID, magnification, none of that. So, excuse me, here's your first one. Next, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to have the proximal forearm parallel to the image receptor. This will give a good view of the proximal radius and ulna. So same thing here. Epicondylar plane, interepicondylar plane needs to be parallel to the image receptor. Same exposure factors, everything for this one. And we're still going to center at the same point, mid-elbow joint, 3/4 inch distal to that interepicondylar plane.